That urban, arcade, retro, typography, the kind you see on CD pop album covers, and Japanese signage, white halftone text with pixel offset. It looks like print, like an old screen, and like neon all at once. Today we're making it with 3 built-in Photoshop features: fill blur, color halftone, and color overlay. Before we start, remember one idea. Color halftone doesn't create gradients. It only translates them. You give it blur grayscale first, and it gives you back gradient dots. Every step in this video is built around that one idea. First, prepare your text and a background color. Pick a bold typeface. Rounded or heavy sans both work. The dots need room to grow. Select the background and the text. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Merging them into one object lets the blur hit both the text and the background, so the grayscale gradient grows right at their boundary. A smart object also keeps the filters editable, so you can come back and adjust anytime. Next, go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Field Blur. We use Field Blur instead of Gaussian Blur because it lets you place multiple pins, each controlling its own blur amount. Add a pin and raise the blur amount around the edges. Keep the centers sharp and the edges heavily blurred. The text gets a solid core with scattered edges. That's exactly the material the halftone filter is about to eat. Then go to Filter, Pixelate, Color Halftone. The blurred grayscale gets translated into dot sizes. Brighter areas get bigger dots, darker areas get smaller ones. Set the max radius to 7, set all 4 channels to 90. Max radius controls the dot size. 7 is the sweet spot. Setting all 4 channels to 90 lines the dots up in a clean grid. That's where the pixel look comes from. Once that's done, go to Select, Color Range. Click on a white area. Color Range picks up similar colors by weight, so even the tiniest halftone dots get captured. Add a layer mask. The text and its dots get a clean cutout, turning into a transparent halftone type you can color freely. Press Ctrl or Command plus J to make 2 copies. 3 identical layers. The top one stays white as the main body. The 2 below will play the color ghosts. Select the middle layer, double-click it to open layer style. Check color overlay and change the color to pink. Nudge it slightly down and to the right. Select the bottom layer, double-click it again to open layer style. Check color overlay. This time, change the color to blue. Nudge it slightly up and to the left. Pink goes down right, blue goes up left. With the 2 ghosts on opposite corners, the white body seems to float and glow in the middle. Moving them the same way is just an outline. Moving them diagonally is true separation. Finally, add your background image and you're done. The darker and busier the background, the brighter the white halftone text stands out. What this video really wants you to take away is the order. Blur first, halftone second. The halftone only translates grayscale. It never produces it. Everyone has the tools. The recipe is the craft.